Selam كلهم عملا عالم زلهم. Welcome to Habesha Kitchen. I'm here with my
You already know,
son.
man. Selam da handle كمان لهم تبدو لهم. This guy here is good.
Good job. تقولنا هم تقول كاي فوتي من good more هجي.
زي episode هجي بتقولنا ترانا نزاربنا. هجي ناي ماما جيبار شالن سزخونه بتقولنا ترانا نزاربكم نعم هراي.
ودينا لنا.
ودينا لنا.
Everything's بتقولنا. هجي انقاها كنوارا درينا. من صبوا يسرح مالك.
So yeah, we're gonna have a cook-off show. Who can make the best panino? Hey, you guys know I'm from Seganeti. What is Seganeti? أنا زبلت البانينو صار هذا مثلاً. ده مثلك.
ونسي كريانا.
رينا هجي.
أنا قاعد صافي مخشان قال مالي أنا فاتي. بانينو جلس. يبلس أني يخون يبلس. Good. ونسي كريانا.
Let's get it. I also look so. أدي ناتا بوتا لوا. أنا ناتي بوتا لني. ناتي كأوحو ناتي كمبيدرة. ناتي شغلتي كلني. زيت لنا بزي.
زيتي شركن قبرينا.
زيتي شيرا الله.
شو. شركن قبرينا. بربرة صليم. بربرة صليم شركن قبرينا. هذا مالتي. Yeah. So. نجمرينا.
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 Hope you guys are ready. Let's get it.
Yeah. So نجمرينا. خرجنا قدمنا.
انت وحسن ready?
Okay.
Give us a countdown. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go.
Alright, first thing I'm gonna do is, you know what I'm saying?
First thing, okay. What's it like that?
Oh wow, I messed up.
See.
Oh, the first thing I gotta do before you whisk it is you gotta put salt on mine.
I'm gonna throw it with this one.
I have to on the
Okay.
You feel me? You gotta put a little salt on it.
እንቋቕሖ ሴረም ስወዳሁ I'm gonna wash my hand.
I already washed my hands. Alright, right now I'm gonna whisk. Oh, I forgot. Before you start, medium high. A medium high judgment.
Okay. I'm ready.
Medium high.
Yeah. I'm gonna put salt. Okay. And berber salim.
أنا ولا بربر salim.
And zaiti.
أنا ولا زيتي. من ده زيتي قبل.
Now,
you see, the secret to making the best panino is, you know, to mix it very, very, very well. Why you cut? Sometimes the cut your leg.
no, كمان تقدر
cut
تخلي
leg مرسل. Cut good.
تقدر تخلي خلاص.
جيب خطتنا لك هذه باريلا حاول يكون هاي من جايك بحر دمس تغيرا نسي دمس تغيرا ريدي كونت ما هي جا
اوكي
جو اورم تبالنا
اوكي
وسكا بتتصبق كم درا تقول تردي قالو جيزيا فكنا ولا صار I think it's ready right now. Let's see one more time. Yeah, you guys heard that sound? I think it's ready. Yes, sir.
Okay.
You know, you gotta be fast and quick when you make panino. If people are hungry, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They're not gonna be waiting an hour just for panino.
No, in 3 minutes.
Okay, look, it's already been 5 minutes.
Wow.
Alright, look, I think my panino is ready to be flipped. You know what I'm saying? I think just a little bit of time, you know what I'm saying? Give it a little extra time. and it's gonna be ready.
Soft and the condensed or your ready get it. Okay.
Okay, I think I'm ready to flip mine. Y'all ready? Ooh, look at that, man. Come on, you can't beat that. You guys bet the Panino. I know this one. Gala and Panino.
نسيلا نعطيك تبلس يا
هنرينا نعطيك موت يا مسلم.
No way.
Let me ask you a question though. Did the chicken come first or did the egg come first?
The chicken.
Then how did the egg come? If the chicken come first, then where did the egg come from?
The chicken come first.
Then where did the egg come from?
From the chicken.
So the chicken came from the egg?
Yes.
Or the egg came from chicken?
Yes.
You guys let me know. Comment down below which came first. Did the chicken come first or the egg come first?
Chicken come first. I said chicken come first.
But chicken is born from egg.
Yeah, but chickens come first and then eggs come from chicken.
What? Oh, look, my egg is ready. Look. Oh, y'all see that, man? Come on, man. Quit playing with me, man. Get line it. Get it. You guys see this egg, man? You know there's one word in air challenge, man. Y'all ready for it? Man, get line it. I think it's ready, man.
Can I borrow not it?
Yeah, here.
بتعرف نقول لنا أنا تعرف جيجر يا مهنياتو حد تراحي كاميرا
You
من
see, not the bread. We got the bread right here. You gotta cut it.
Yeah, I like the.
And then, you know, I like to put it in here too. You know, toast a little bit.
I like the with bread.
Also, let my mom know what other cooking videos you guys want to see, because she's gonna be dropping videos constantly, so y'all let her know, man. Oh, that looks nice. That looks skinny and nice.
See?
Oh, mine's burning. I think mine's burning. Alright, I think mine's ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that, you know, the egg in here, and then put a little bit of onions right there. Not too much, just a little bit. Just a little bit. That should be good, I think. Just a little bit. Just like that.
Spring meat.
You gotta be healthy. If you don't put vegetables in your panino, you're gonna be fat. So you gotta put a little vegetable. Good juice like it hon. Qorum. Qasd tgarul. Way farq sabit khaytwani. Qorum qasd tgarul. Yes, say. And then you just put a little sprinkle of it.
Abdullah Panino.
I like yours too. I can't lie. It looks nice. Tsagam na day. Giza wasila. You know, tamisi wala ala watifu. Giza yablu bitsba.
Abda biati hota allahu. Ji redo hayna. Ana health qoniyat fitin. I'm gonna use the wheat net.
But you guys seen my panino. Look, come closer to my panino. Look, got the bread, nice, you know, white bread, tomatoes, lettuce, onions, and then the egg in the bottom. Hey, I can't lie, man. This look like straight panino from Seganeti. Seganeti got the best panino. Can't lie.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I put some onion. So boy butami. It's very healthy. Okay. And after this,
Whoa.
it's not finished, okay?
It's not finished yet?
Yes.
Oh, you're gonna cut in half?
Yes. Okay.
There you guys have it, man. That's my mom panino, and that's my panino. You guys let us know which panino is the best. Let's do taste right now. Let's go. Let's take a bite. Let's see which one tastes better.
Okay.
You take a bite of my panino, and I'll take a bite of your panino.
Okay.
Here. Give me that.
Okay.
So you're gonna give me
Okay.
how much you think it is. Alright, rate it from 1 to 10.
Okay.
Okay, let me taste your panino first. I don't know about this one. Ziasi, ብዙሕ ሽጉርቲ ገይክላ ሽጉርቲ ጣጣ
That's good. Not bad. But nothing to throw ዝግምት
ሓቂ ኣዴ ማርያም ሽጉርቲ ጣጣ
What?
ያ ሽጉርቲ ብዘይካላ
So French. I like sugar.
You guys have man she likes shugurti, I guess.
Okay, you can have yours.
Yeah, I will have mine. I don't like yours. Let me try mine. I think this is the best panino I've ever made.
See, you guys.
Good عيني.
نريكم لنا زي عنيرة. I hope تفوتوا. سلام ببزلنا. سلام نقول لنا. We'll see you next video.
Also, y'all, like my mom said, we'll see you guys in the next episode. But if you guys want to help my mom, subscribe, comment, like. It would mean a lot. Share the video, all of that, feel me? Support my mom because she's going to be trying to upload videos every week for you guys to entertain you guys. So y'all let her know what kind of videos you guys want to see in the channel. So not just cooking, any type of video you guys want her to do, just let her know in the comment section and she will do it for y'all. And we love y'all. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys in the next episode. So, ciao.
Thank you. Ciao.
Thank you. Ciao.